a wood stove time of a year again. I really enjoy those winter evenings in a shop. It's kind of cozy here. We haven't seen each other in quite some time. I was just dealing with COVID and some other stuff. And I'm finally feeling better and I can actually start doing some work again. Did you miss me? I know you did, you don't have to tell me. So, today, new format of a video, and it's called 3 shop upgrades. And it means that I'm gonna do 3 shop upgrades. Yes. You know, these are kind of smaller things that are not worth making like a whole separate videos about them. Do I have to explain myself? You know what I mean? 3 shop upgrades. So, first of all, you see all these plastic boxes and all the other crap. I want to store it right here, and I'm gonna need some shelves to store it here. And actually, as I found out, the cheapest way to get the shelves is just buy one of these bad boys. This thing cost me like 40 euros to buy, and to build a set of shelves here from some steel and plywood, it's gonna cost me a lot more, so we just get one of these. And to put this storage shelf here, I need to build some sort of like a platform here to be able to put shelf as close to the wall as possible. But this annoying pipe is in a way, so yeah, we have to make a little platform here. I say steel. So this one looks like it's ready for now. I'm gonna fill it with stuff, but that's later on. So the next upgrade is gonna be the storage for firewood. This is how my firewood is kept right now, but I want to make some sort of like metal construction to keep it more efficiently in terms of space. So I think I want to make some sort of like rectangular construction from square tubing and cover it with some of this stuff that's been just sitting in my shop for the longest time ever, and I want to really utilize it. Here we have it. I really like how it came out. We have a shelf here for some smaller chops to start the fire. I'm gonna quickly chop up some wood and fill it up. I'm really happy with this piece. It looks so nice and clean. The wood is off the ground, it doesn't suck any moisture from the concrete. Now I have all this space that was filled with logs before. So nice. I've spent like the last half an hour making those hooks from rebar. The hooks hold my axes, and also we have some hooks that hold those poles that are meant to clean the chimney. So since I still have a little bit of time in the shop, I think I'm gonna make a plywood holder to hold my spray cans and my silicone tubes and stuff like that. This should be a quick one, really. And so here we have it. At first I wanted to put it right there, but it's too close to the stove and I didn't want to risk it, so I put it here. So on the bottom I have this little place for like caps and nozzles and stuff like that. Here I have my like WD-40 cutting oils, and then I just have my all kinds of spray paints, my butane torch, and all of the silicones and glues up there. I also like to have it here because I have all of my WD-40s and like topping oils right here above my drill, and that's where I use them the most, and it's like convenient way to have them. So I think it's enough for today. We have 3 little builds for the workshop. Let me know how do you like the format. I have a fun build prepared for you for the next video. If you made it all the way till the end, don't forget to leave a like and leave a comment. Let's talk. It's gonna help my channel grow. And I'll see you soon, hopefully. Merry Christmas, boys.